Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be replacing the rear bumper on my 2006 Toyota Avalon. So as you can see, there's a big hole in the back of the bumper, and so we're going to be taking it out, and where we're going to start is right here. We'll be able to see it. So right up in here, there's a bolt that you can unscrew, and there's another one that's right there. Now I've already taken these two out, but we'll get the other two taken out on the other side. And then once those are out, you come into the trunk and you remove the cover. There's these two bolts sticking out right there in the trunk, and you'll take those out as well. Well, those will come out with the bumper. So let me go and take those, unscrew those. So then what we want to do is you want to make sure that the lights are taken out where that go above the license plate. So we'll get those taken out. One thing I forgot is underneath are two panels that you want to take out. So these are what were holding us back in there, but now that those are out, the bumper should just wiggle right off. it just clips on and then you just screw everything back in and we're good to go. Okay, then all we do is tighten up these last bolts and then we're done. So, to answer the question if I can replace a bumper, yes I can. See you next time.